I can tell you right away, 0 down ain't happening.
How is your credit?
It's 545.
Welcome to the 700 Club, dog. Look, check it out, man.
He wants to finance a Tesla and thinks his credit is good. That belief lasts right up until somebody actually checks it.
Hey Dan, I got a guy here. He's looking at the Tesla Model 3. He wants to do 0 down. He says he's got pretty good credit, so.
Okay, well, good credit shouldn't be a problem. We run it and see. I don't know in what world this is good, but he got a 471 score. Got a couple paid autos on there. I can tell you right away, 0 down ain't happening. I don't know if I can even get an approval. I mean, the paid autos helps, but these really late credit card payments, I mean, that's driving down the scores. Obviously, he thinks he's got good credit. Let's go out there and talk to him together.
His credit score is 471 and he's been late on his credit card payments. So the good credit turned out to be more of a personal opinion. Because the actual report has the score, the missed payments, and no idea what he was talking about.
Kind of find out what he thinks is going on and try to see how much he can put down, if anything, and see what we can do. All right, so I don't know if he actually thought he had good credit or if he's just lying. I guess that's his brother with him. I told him, like, in order for me to secure an approval, like best case scenario, we're going to need a good chunk of money down. He says the most he can do is like up to $2,000. I told him I don't think that's going to cut it. Like, I could submit it if you want. I could send it to a bunch of different banks. But he's talking to his brother right now to co-sign for him. His brother's very reluctant.
At this point, the Tesla is becoming a family project. He brings the 2,000, his brother brings the credit. And judging by the hesitation, his brother is trying to remember how close they really are.
I probably would be too if I heard my brother's got a 471 score. But yeah. I think that if we have a chance to get this done, his brother's going to need to get on the loan.
Okay, so brother's going to do the app. He was reluctant, but at the end of the day, it is his brother.
Much better. 835 score. I'll get it done with the brother on there. Here's the problem. I don't think that like a credit union will buy this because of the worst credit brother.
Yeah, sure.
So like prime rates, that's likely not going to happen.
His brother agrees to cosign, so now we've got a 471 credit score, $2,000 down, and someone the lender can finally take seriously. Nothing brings brothers together like joint liability.
But I think I can get something in the low teens. I want to get him the best approval. Let me submit it, see what we got. Allies approving them at 10.89. With both of them on there, he's getting 10.89% with the 2K down. With the gap, you're at $540 a month. Go over the payments with him, see what he wants to do.
Okay, so they took the payment pretty straightforward,
yeah.
But you should hear this. The way that the better credit brother is talking to the worst credit brother, it's like a teaching moment, like a father-son moment they're having right now. Yeah.
You should probably take his advice.
They took the loan. Now the brother with good credit is talking to him like a father talks to his son. The Tesla is approved. Growing up is still under review.
I've got really bad credit. I live here in town. I work for the city. Hey, can you post this to your TikTok? Sure. It's Josh with Always Auto.
Hey, Josh, I just came across your TikTok.
Oh, right on.
I'm down to one car. I don't have any money down, but I live here in town. I work for the city, and they already quoted me for 20 grand, but they could only do 95%, and my interest rate is pretty high. Long story short, I was making payments through my supervisor's mother-in-law.
He was making payments on a car owned by his supervisor's mother-in-law. So the finance department was basically his boss's extended family. Nothing complicated there. Just employment, family, and a car loan all in one place.
And her insurance skyrocketed, her car payment skyrocketed. She didn't give me any notice.
Oh, no.
And she told me that I need you. I've only paid $2,500 already on it. I think she owes like maybe $7 grand left. And I make payments on it, but now she wants to sell it outright. I gave the keys back.
Well, that sucks. Sounds like we need a car. What are you looking for?
A family car. My bank said it can go 10.5, no higher than that.
How is your credit?
It's 545.
His score is a 545. A number like that usually comes with a waiting period. He treated it more like a starting point, because nothing says ready for another car, like a score that is still trying to become average.
Would you be open to letting me have one of my banks or credit unions try and get you a loan?
Y'all can get a lower interest rate.
What rate did they give you?
50, only because of my credit score.
Yeah, that makes sense. What do you need in a car? What are your must-haves and your absolutely no, can't do that?
I don't really care about the mileage. Third row, if possible.
What payment are you trying to stick around?
No higher than 5.
Let me shoot you over our application, and then as soon as you get that filled out, let me know, and then I'll start taking a look at some of our inventory, see what I have that might work for you.
He doesn't care about the mileage, but the mileage is usually the part that tells you how much car is left. In this case, the odometer is just another number he's decided not to worry about.
And then we'll go from there.
Is there an application fee?
No, nope. As soon as you get that done, I'll personally work on it. I'll call you back and we'll go over some options.
Do you need my pay stub?
Yeah, if you could snap a picture of those and then your wife's as well, and then send those over, that would be awesome.
Sure.
All right, I'll talk to you soon. I think I got it. I'm just double checking it right as we were calling. Did you do your wife as well? Or did you just do yours?
I did mine because her pay stub is too low.
I'll start it with just you.
So for financing purposes, his wife has been moved from household income to moral support. Still part of the marriage, just not part of the application.
If I need hers, I'll let you know. Do you know what her credit's like?
614, she thinks.
Yeah, it probably would be beneficial to have her for sure, even though her income's a little light right now. If you could have her fill that same link out and then just shoot me a text when it's done and I'll jump right on it. I'll match them up and I'll get to work.
Is there any chance that you can post this on your TikTok?
I can, yeah, I can.
So I'm not like overstepping.
No, not at all. I'll make sure I get it posted for sure.
All right, thank you, Josh.
All right, bud, you betcha.
He asked the guy to post the interaction on TikTok. So after the 545 credit score, the strange payment arrangement, and the application issues, he decided the only thing missing was an audience.
Show them what we got going on this customer.
Started at a 430. They are now at a 743, 754, 759. 14 items removed in total. One being a repo. We've got collections and late payments removed for this customer.
All right, y'all. As you can see, it's real people, real results. My name is the Sandman. I ain't here to sell you a dream, but I will put one in your driveway. Turning dreams into reality. My boy, welcome to the 700 Club, dog. Look, check it out, man. 743.
The dealership helped the customer remove negative items from his credit report. So the credit history didn't improve. They just edited out the parts lenders could see, because fixing the problem takes time. Removing the evidence is much more efficient.
See it is believable, man. Man, it's time to get your new car, bro.
What can I get, man?
You got a 700, dog. You get whatever you want.
I'm on the way right now.
All right, I'll see you soon, bro. It's that easy. OPM, other people's money. That's what it's all about. We use the bank's money. The only place where we fix your credit, build your credit, where we can put you in what you really want and not just what you're settling for. This young man, he followed the program to a T. He signed up for a credit repair. We fixed his credit.
So the whole thing was basically dealer prep. They waited for the light to turn green, then they called him back. They didn't help him fix his credit. They helped him qualify for their inventory.
Now here he is coming back. He can get whatever he wants. No money down. A lot of y'all seen the clips where I'm telling the young man $10,000, $15,000 down. Listen, not everyone needs a $10,000, $15,000 down payment. The better the credit is, the less the initial cash investment we need. So y'all already know the motto. You don't buy a car from the house. That's like sitting on the TV and watching the couch. So do like Pampers and pull up. Let's get you a path to purchase. Let's start working on fixing that credit. Let's get you in the ride you've always wanted, not the ride you got to settle for.
They don't want people settling for the car they can qualify for. They want to fix the credit so they can get the car they really want. Because the problem was never wanting too much car. It was a credit report getting in the way. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.